Check all accessories. Remove the protective cover. Install the backrest. Wires connection. Red, white, and black wires for massage and heating control. Connect the heating and massage remote control. Black 8-pin. Connect the USB cable. Connect the power cord. We provide a detailed instruction manual covering precautions for product installation, usage, disassembly, maintenance, after-sales service, and other related aspects. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time.